Hello YouTube and welcome back. Or if you are new here, my name is Katie and I am the owner and artist behind Salvaged by K. Scott. I am a professional furniture painter. I run my very own business right here out of my garage, painting, upcycling, and restyling old and vintage furniture to meet today's home decor trends. A few days ago that I'll link in the cards of me thrifting at my local Salvation Army store. While I was there, I was lucky enough to pick up this matching Art Deco waterfall style vanity and a dresser. Today I am super excited to bring you guys along with me as I show you how I'm going to separate this vanity into two matching nightstands and update the whole set into a fun, colorful boho style feel. So first off, I need to separate this vanity into two pieces. It should be pretty easy. I'm going to remove these centerpieces and then I'll have a little bit of patchwork to do anywhere where the two pieces are connected in the middle. This is the back of the vanity. When I'm taking pieces like this apart, I like to just sort of go step by step, screw by screw. I'll take out any screws that I can see and then we'll reassess. I did also ask my husband to pop it to the garage really quickly. I'm not very comfortable with saws and this one needed a slice down each side of that back panel here because it goes all the way across the back on both sides. So he came out and did a chop on each side and this is what we're left with. I'm going to use my random orbital sander and some coarse 80 grit sandpaper just to smooth out any of these larger ridges, and then I will come back in and fill in all of these imperfections with some Bondo. All right, now that I've got all of the big ridges sanded smooth, I'm going to mix up some Bondo filler. This is the same stuff they use to repair body damage on cars. I'm just gonna mix it together on a scrap piece of wood and use my trowel to get it into all. All right, now that I've let my Bondo set up for about an hour, I'm gonna go ahead and put my respirator back on, sand down all of my Bondo so it's nice and smooth. And now that I've got all of my Bondo patchwork sanded smooth, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the hardware from all of the drawers. Also gonna go ahead and peel this old drawer liner out of here. Look at that, beautiful. Once I got all of the hardware removed, I went ahead and washed it with some mild dish detergent and dried it really well. Now I'm gonna go in and freshen it up with some Rustoleum Universal Metallic in antique brass. All right, it's a new day here in the garage. I let my hardware and that spray paint dry really thoroughly overnight, and now I'm going to get everything ready to start spraying my paint. What I need to do is move my newly painted hardware out of the way, put a drop cloth down in the middle of the garage, wrap my drawers with plastic so that they don't get any overspray on the inside, and then finish scuff sanding anything that didn't get sanded with repairs last night. I am also going to go ahead and apply a couple of coats of this spray shellac onto the bondoed portions of my pieces. I just want to make sure that the Bondo and the wood are sort of the same level of porousness so that when the paint is applied, it goes on evenly. All right, now that all of the prep work is out of the way, it is time to start adding some color. I'm going to be spraying my finish on this piece. Go ahead and check out my video on my favorite painting tool, my gravity-fed HVLP pneumatic spray gun, to see how it works. All right, I've got all three of my pieces now painted with 2 coats of that Chippy Barn paint in the color Eucalyptus. I brought them all inside and I'm about to wax them. I'm going to be using the Chippy Barn's Specialty Wax in clear. It's basically just rub it on and buff it into the paint and it's good to go. Ta-da! Aren't they cute? I am so extremely happy with how this set came together. Thank you so much for following along with me as I took this vintage vanity, tore it apart into 2 nightstands, and updated the matching dresser as well. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. Please make sure you leave me a comment down below letting me know what your favorite part of this video was, and also what you'd like to see me transform in the future. Also, please make sure you tap that subscribe button and the notifications bell so that YouTube lets you know every time I upload a new project. I had so much fun bringing you guys along with me on this makeover, and I'll catch you guys next time.